First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this special data interpretation video are specially made for the students, those who are going for a CAT level exam, as well as students those who are going for a bank mains exam. So in those exams you can able to see a very difficult data interpretation. So in order to crack that, I will be posting these kinds of difficult data interpretation videos. So do not forget to watch all my videos, but remember one important thing: before watching this video you have to know this: the same data interpretation question what I am going to teach now is available as a test. So first visit my website or my mobile application. There in a quantitative aptitude session you can able to see at the last data interpretation bracket mains. So inside that, the same question what I am going to teach in this set available as a test. First write the test and check what is your score, whether you are getting 5 out of 5 or you can't able to understand the DA itself. So first write the test. After writing the test, come and watch this video for solution. Without writing a test, if you watch this video completely, 100% the video will be useless, no use. So first write the test and analyze what is the mistake that you have done, where you have done the mistake, and then watch this video, right? Definitely it will be helpful for the students, those who are going for CAT exams and bank mains exam. So let me move on to all the difficult data interpretation question on these types of videos. So friends, now in this 17th video, that is on mains level data interpretation. So now we will be solving a question that is based on a probability DA, right? So this question, they have given a table chart and some of the values are missing in the chart. So I hope you have taken the test, same question. So kindly, without taking the test, do not watch this video because it will be completely waste of time. So first write the test and check what mistake you have done and then watch this video. Definitely this video will be 100% helpful for you, right? So if you got 5 out of 5, superb. But if you can't able to score even 1, then you have to know the concept of probability, basic probability question little more, right? So only if you are strong on the basics, you can able to solve these kind of question. So here in this 17th DA, they have given a table chart, and inside the table chart, some of the values are missing. So before solving this question, always spend at least 2 to 3 minutes of time to analyze the complete chart values, what are all the values they have given, and some notes will be there, right? Just see below the chart, they have given a note. So all the questions are independent from each other. What is the meaning of it? All the questions given here are independent from each other. That means, for example, if you find a value, for example, let's look at the chart. So square box which contains 60 centimeter square box, 20 centimeter square box. So totally they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square box, and each box contain 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 different color caps has been and some values are missing. For example, for the first question, if you find the pink color cap on the first box, that value should not be considered for the second question because each question is independent. So every time if you need to solve a question, you have to look at the chart and you have to solve the question, not from the previous question answer or a previous question value. You should not consider on the next question. That is the concept of it, right? So now, and they have given 4 different color caps on each box and some of the values are missing. So in the square box, size has been given 60 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 40, 80, 10 and 35. That's it. They didn't give you any note here. So now let me move on to the questions based upon this chart. In case if they have given some data, what we need to do is first we have to solve the data and we have to fill that missing value, and then only we have to solve the question. But here they didn't give any data here, just they have given a chart with a missing value and they have given a note. So now what we need to do is we need to start solving a question based upon this chart, right? Question number 1. So if 3 red caps are taken out from bag of 35 centimeter and then one cap is picked at a random from a bag of 35 centimeter, then the probability of getting a red cap is 1/3. Find how many caps were there in a bag initially. So friends, first try to understand the question what they are saying. So if 3 red caps are taken out from bag of 35 centimeter. So first bag 35 centimeter, according to the chart you can able to see the last column. Last column will be 35 centimeter square bag. So what are all the color caps that we have is black color, right? So black color is how many caps are there? 3. And then a pink. So pink is how much? 5. A red color, the value is missing, so let me consider it as X or question mark, it is your wish. And the last will be white color. So white color we have 4 caps. So now according to the question, the question is completely based upon this bag which is of 35 centimeter. So the question what they are saying is, if 3 caps are taken out, that is if 3 red caps are taken out, how many red caps are here? X, because that value is unknown, missing. So now 3 red caps are taken out. So we can consider this as X minus 3. So 3 red caps are taken out from a bag and then 1 cap is picked at random. So when we picked 3, right, 3 red caps outside, so remaining will be X minus 3. So these remaining color caps will as it is, the number will be remaining as it is. So now what is the total here? So 3, right, so 3 plus 5 plus X minus 3 plus 4. So 5 plus 3 will be 8. So 8 plus 12. So 12 minus 3 will be 9. So 9 plus X will be the total number of caps. Number of caps in the bag. Yes or no, right? So initially we found the total number of caps that are inside that bag of 35 centimeter will be X plus 9. So now what is the second data they are saying is, probability of getting a red cap is 1 by 3. If 1 red cap is picked at random, so 1 red cap, that is we have a red, that is X minus 3 total red cap, and 1 cap is picked at a random. So 1 divided by the total. So total is how much? X plus 9 C1. So friends, understood or not? For this, the probability answer has been directly given, which is 1 by 3. So if you write this step correctly, then solving the complete question will be easy. So according to the question, initially 3 balls, that is not balls, caps, 3 cap which is of red color has been taken out. So if 3 red caps are taken out, we already know how many caps are there. So we consider that as X initially. So 3 caps are taken out, X minus 3. So now from this data, 1 red color ball has been, that is 1 red color cap has been picked out. So 1 red color, so X minus 3 C1, 1 red color cap has been picked. And then from the total is how much? We have added all the value, total is X plus 9. So sum of observation divided by total observation. For this, the answer has been directly given. 1 cap is picked at random from the bag, then the probability of getting a red cap is 1 by 3. So which means for this probability, they have directly given the answer 1 by 3. So equal to 1 by 3. So we can find what is the value of X here. So X minus 3 C1 will be X minus 3 divided by X plus 9 C1 will be X plus 9, because only one time we have. So this will be 1 by 3. Cross multiply it. 3x minus 9 is equals to X plus 9. So 3x minus X will be 2x. 9 plus 9 will be 18. So X is equal to 9. So finally we got the answer. The value of X is equal to 9. So which means we have found the missing number, which is 9. So totally we have 9 red caps in bag which are 35 centimeter, right? 35 centimeter, yes, 35 centimeter. So black 3, pink 5, red 9 and white 4. So this value, we should not take this value for the next question, because each question is independent. They have already told that. So now what we need to find? Find how many caps were there in a bag initially. So initially how many caps were there, red color caps were there? 9. So now we found that answer because this is the missing number. So now we need to find the total. So 5 plus 3 will be 8, 8 plus 4 will be 12, 12 plus 9 will be 21. So totally the bag which is 35 centimeter, right, which contains 21 color caps initially. So that will be the answer for this first question. Question number 2. So if the number of total caps in bag of 10 centimeter is 16 and the pink and red color caps are in a ratio 2:3, then find the probability of getting 1 red cap and 2 white cap when 3 caps are picked at random. So when just see here, first let me try to understand the question. They have given a ratio first, right, for the cap for which 2 color caps, pink as well as red. For these 2 color caps, they have given a ratio which is in 2:3. And for that bag, so they are completely talking about bag of 10 centimeter. So bag of 10 centimeter, what are all the color caps that bag contains will be black color. So black, which is 2 caps, and then pink, the value is missing, as well as red value is missing, and the last will be white. So white color, which has 4 caps. Right? So these are the values they have given. So, and what they have said is, in the initial part of the question, if the number of total caps of bag of 10 centimeter is 16. So the total caps which is inside the bag is 16. So already we know that black color 2, white color 4. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. So now from the total 16, when you subtract 6, resultant will be 10. So which means the total number of caps, pink and red, will be 10. Yes or no? Because these two total will be 10. So now what they are saying is, the ratio for pink as well as red cap, it is in the ratio of 2:3. So 2:3 is the ratio of pink and red. We know the total is 10. So it is easy to find how many pink caps are there and red caps are there, because 2:3 is the ratio. So first let me take pink. So pink will be 2, total will be 5 into 10. So we can cancel it, so which will be 4. So now according to the question, what we need to find is, we need to find the probability, right? So this will be 4 and 10. So now what we need to find here is, what is the probability of getting 1 red color cap and 2 white color cap, because our total target is to pick 3 caps at random. So out of 3 cap, 1 should be red. So 6C1, 1 is red, and remaining 2 will be white. So white, how many caps are there? 4. So 4C2. So totally we have picked the 3 caps. What about the total? 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 2, 6. So 16. That's it, right? Sum of observation divided by total observation. So 6C1 can be written as 6. 4C2 will be 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. So total divided by 16C3. So 16, 15, 14 divided by 1, 2 and 3. So now we need to cancel it. We can cancel 2 times here. So similarly, 3, 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. Right? So numerator value that we have is 6, 2 and 3. So denominator we have 16, 5 and 7. So 16, 5 and 7. So try to still we can cancel it, because 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16. Again cancel this on 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So finally 3 into 3 will be 9. So 5 4s are 20, 27, 140. So finally answer for this question will be 9 divided by 140. Third question. So if X number of red caps are added in a bag of 40 centimeter, then what is the probability of getting a white cap when one cap is picked at random is 1 by 6, then find the value of X. So our target is to find what is the value of X, because some X number of caps has been added, that is number of red caps. They have told which color caps has been added. So inside the bag of 40 centimeter. So now look at the chart. So bag of 40 centimeter, which contains all the cap numbers, because there is no value missing here. So 6 will be black color. So black color is 6, and then pink color is 4. Red color will be 8 and the white color will be 5. So all the values are directly given in the chart. So now according to the question, where X number of red caps has been added. So here we can place it as 8 plus X. Why? Because some amount of red caps has been added. So now let me look at the total. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 10 plus 18. So 18 plus 5 will be 23. So 23 plus X. So 23 plus X will be the total number of caps. So inside the bag of 40 centimeter, right? So now what they are saying is, they have given the probability answer itself in the question. For what probability they have given us, then the probability of getting white cap when one cap is picked. They have given one cap is picked. So from white. So 5C1. So one cap, that is from white, divided by total C1. So total will be 23 plus XC1. So for this they have given the probability answer itself, which is 1 by 6. So 5C1 can be written as 5. 23 plus X is equals to 1 by 6. So 6 5s are 30. So 30 is equal to 23 plus X. So X will be 7. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 7. So which means we found the value how many red color caps has been added initially. So 7 red color caps has been added initially in the bag of 40 centimeter, right? So this will be the answer for this question. Very easy question. I don't think so this is that much difficult, but these are the concepts are important, right? So this concept is important, and some students will struggle how to fix x value. So always remember that when you take a probability, we have only one basic formula, sum of observation divided by total observation. So total observation will always be the total, sum of observation what they are asking in a question. If some values are missing, keep it as x. Definitely if the probability answer itself has been given, so put it as equal to what the value they have given in the question, equal to 1 by 6 or 2 by 8 according to the question value. So it is easy. Once you know that basic concept, solving a probability question will be little bit easy. So this will be the answer for question number 3. So question number 4. If the number of black caps in bag 80 centimeter is 3 by 4th of the pink cap in bag 40 centimeter, and 3 white caps are transfer black from bag of 20 centimeter to bag of 80 centimeter, then find the probability of getting at least one pink cap. So what is the target? Our target is to find the probability for getting at least one pink cap. So if you find the word at least, I have told you many times while teaching probability, so at least, the meaning of at least is minimum to maximum. So minimum it should be one pink, and how many caps that are we are picking, and there when 2 caps, so totally we are picking 2 caps at a random. Our target is to find what is the probability of getting at least one is pink. So the meaning of at least one is pink, minimum 1 to be pink, or else maximum 2 can be pink. This is one way of solving a question. So this will be the traditional method. Or if you want to solve the same question little bit fastly, then you can able to solve this question total 1 minus of none is pink. You can use this method also. I have told while teaching probability, I have told this. So this will be the traditional method, and this will be the shortcut, right? Because our target is to find at least one is pink. So what I can do is from the total, if I eliminate none is pink, then the remaining will be at least one is pink. That is one way of solving a question. It is your wish. If you learn this method, go with this. Or if you know the traditional method well, you can go with the traditional method. But before that, first let me understand what exactly the question they are saying. If number of black caps in bag of 80 centimeter. So bag of 80 centimeter, black caps is missing. It's a missing value. So that value is 3 by 4th of the pink cap in 40 centimeter bag. So 40 centimeter bag, pink color cap is how much? There are 4 caps. So 4 cap, right? So now 3 by 4th. So 3 by 4, we can cancel 4 and 4 here. So remaining will be 3. So which means, so now according to the question, we can able to say 80 centimeter bag, black color caps will be 3. So totally black color cap in bag of 80 centimeter will be 3 caps. So we found black 3 caps, and then second value they have given, right? So pink color is how much? So pink color will be 4, and red color. So red color is how much? 2, and then last will be white color. So white color will be 8. So all the values they have directly given, but they have given another point. So 3 white caps are transfer black from bag of 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter white color, total is 5. So from that 5, they are transferring 3 white cap to a black. Okay, so to a black of 80 centimeter again. So 3 additional cap has been added. So add 3 here. So now 8 plus 2 will be 10. 10 plus 4 will be 14. So 14 plus 6 will be 20. So now totally there are 20 caps are there in a bag of 80 centimeter. So now what is the question? Our target is to find at least one is pink. So what I can do here is, so divided by total observation. So total observation will be 20 C2 because we are taking 2 caps at a random. So what is the probability of at least, right? So at least one to be pink. Okay, so at least one to be pink. Okay, so when we take none is pink, eliminate the pink, what about the remaining? So 3 plus 3 will be 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8, 8 will be 16. So totally 16 C2. So friends, understood or not, right? What I am doing, I am solving a question by this method. From a total 1, I am eliminating none is pink. So resultant will be at least one is pink, right? So divided by the total number of caps, and we are taking 2 caps at a random. So 20C2 divided by 20C2 will be the total outcome. So possible outcome will be 16C2. So now we can solve it. This can be written as 16 into 15 minus of divided by 20 into 19, because 1 by 2 we can cancel 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So now we can cancel this on 5 table. 5 3s are 15. So cancel this on 5 table. 5 4s are 20. 1 4s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So 1 minus 12 by 19. So 19 minus 12 divided by 19. So this will be 7 by 19. So we can say that answer for this question will be 7 by 19 is the probability of getting at least one is pink. So be careful, right? Because most of the thing where solving a question in DA in the mains level exam, it seems to be a little bit easy if you know the basic concept. But understanding a question is very, very important here. So first try to understand the question properly, what are all the values they have given, what we need to find initially, and what is our final target. So at least, at most, all the concepts are important. If it is at most, maximum to minimum. If it is at least, minimum to maximum. So never forget it, right? So answer for this fourth question will be 7 by 19. So last question, if the probability of getting a black from bag of 60 centimeter is 1 by 5. So they have given the answer, probability of getting a black in a bag of 60 centimeter. So bag of 60 centimeter. So 2 value is missing. So black color has been given, that is 4 caps. So pink value was not given, as well as red value was not given. So white color will be 7 caps. So 2 values are missing in bag of 60 centimeter. So now what they are saying is, if the probability of getting a black from a bag of 60 centimeter is 1 by 5. When one cap is picked at random and the number of pink cap, so number of pink cap are twice the red caps. So pink cap is twice of red cap. So when we assume the red cap is x, pink will be 2x, because twice, right? So 2x. Then find the probability of getting both pink when 2 caps are picked from a bag of 60 centimeter. So what they are saying is, our target is to find what is the probability of getting 2 cap and both the caps should be of pink color, right? So first what we can do here is, let me try to figure out what is the total number of caps in bag of 60 centimeter, right? So 7. So 7 plus 2x, this will be 3x. So 3x plus 11. So 3x plus 11 will be the total number of caps. Right? So total number of caps in bag of 60 centimeter. So initially they have given one data, if the probability of getting a black, so one black, right? One black from bag of 60 centimeter is 1 by 5. So one black is how much? 4C1. So 4C1 divided by total, right? 4C1, one black color, divided by total 3x plus 11C1. This will be the total. So out of total outcome, so numerator black outcome, that is 4C1. For this answer will be 1 by 5. So first let me try to solve and find the value of x here. So C1 will be only 4. So 5 into 4 will be 20 is equals to 3x plus 11. So 20 minus 11 will be 9 is equals to 3x. So x is equal to 3. So finally we got a value, that is x is equal to 3. So which means the total number of red color cap will be 3. And we know that it's twice, right? So 2 into 3 will be 6. So 6 will be the total number of pink color caps. So now by using the data, what they have given initially, 1 by 5 probability, we have found all the caps value inside the bag of 60 centimeter. So 4 caps are there, 6 cap of pink, 3 of red and 7 of white. So now this is not the final answer. Why? Because what they are asking is, what is the probability of taking 2 cap and both should be of pink color. So pink color is how much? 6. So 6C2 both of pink color divided by total. So 6 plus 4 will be 10, 7 plus 3 will be 10, so total 20, so 20C2. So 20C2 will be the total outcome. So possible outcome, so out of 2 cap, both the cap should be of pink color, right? Yes, both the cap of pink color, so 6C2. So we can solve it. 6 into 5 divided by 20 into 19. So we can cancel 1 by 2 denominator. So 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Cancel this on 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 3 divided by 38. So this will be the answer for the last question, right? Okay. Okay, so friends, finally we have solved 5 questions on this data interpretation video, that is on 17th video for mains level exam. So again and again I am repeatedly saying it, do not forget to take the test first, right? So first write the test, only then you can able to understand what is your level in probability, whether you you know the basic or you don't know the basic, where you are making a mistake. So instead of framing this equation, if you are making a mistake, then try to learn how this equation comes, right? So that's the reason I'm repeatedly saying write the test first, and then if you got 5 out of 5, this video is not needed for you because you already got 5 out of 5, you know all the concept. But if you can't able to get 5 out of 5 you are scoring only 2, then you are in a lack of the basics of probability. So try to learn that. So once you learn that, on the next DA or upcoming DA, if it is based on probability, try to get 5 out of 5. So learn your mistake and try to rectify it. Only then you can able to clear the mains exam, mains of any bank exams or CAT exams, whatever UPSC exam, whatever be. If you need to go for the mains exam, you have to be strong on the basics, or else you can't able to crack it. Right. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. It's a 17th video. Do not forget to watch all the previous stuff, and also seating arrangement. Posted some videos for mains level, so do not forget to watch all those videos. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share this video to your friends, those are preparing for the bank exams. So thank you so much. Bye.